Human attention can open up many things which can neither be bought nor sold. It just enriches your life. Here we are in fall time in Tennessee. If you pay attention, if you pay enough attention, you would understand the very nature of life. It's unfortunate that today we're culturing the world and the youth in the world towards thinking in terms of how can we use everything. No, the only thing that we can do is we live a life that is pleasant, profound and impactful. There's nothing to use here. We come and go, everything else stays. Just the end of October, already temperatures are around 6 degrees centigrade today. A bit chill for my type, definitely a bit chill, but if you pay enough attention, you will know how everything enriches you. Variations in temperature, variations in color, the way things change, the way seasons change, everything that's happening on a daily basis from moment to moment all around you, if you pay attention, you will live a very, very rich life. It's my wish and my blessing. You must know the bounty of being on this wonderful planet.